In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to clear watch history on Facebook. So watch history is a place that you can go and find all the videos you watched on Facebook. It sometimes takes up space of the app. I'm going to share with you on how you can clear watch history so that your app or the Facebook app can be able to be fast and as well perform well. Okay, so it's easy and simple. Let me walk you through on how you can clear watch history on Facebook. To delete watch history from Facebook, go to the Facebook app, you tap on it. Once it opens, you go to your profile at the top right, you tap on your profile. Then you go down, you're going to see settings and privacy, you tap on this arrow. Next, you go to settings, you tap on settings. You go to activity log. Under your information, you tap on activity log. Once it opens, you're going to see public posts, public tag, story activity, page likes, following, video searched, and video watched. So where you want to go is here that says video watched. So to delete watch history, you tap on video watched. Go to clear video watch history, you tap on it. Are you sure only you can see your video watch history? So to clear it, you tap on clear. We've started clearing your video watch history. If your video watch history is long, it may take some time to clear. So if the video watch history is too long, right, it will gradually clear up your watch history. So we are going to refresh and come back to the app. Let's refresh to see whether we are still going to see all this watched history. So let's leave the app. So let's refresh the app and go back to see the cleared watch history. So go to the app again, you tap to open. Then you go to your profile. At the top right, you tap to open. You go down under settings and privacy, you tap on this arrow. You go to settings. Then you go to your information. Then activity log, you tap. Then you look for video watched, you tap. So as you guys can see, there is no item under video watched. So we've cleared all our watch history on this page. As you guys can see, video you've watched, no item, because we've cleared the video watch history. Hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and as well follow this page for more tips. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.